Hello everyone, I am Tejaswa Pratap of class 8D.
And I'm Aditya Yadav of class 8D.
Today we are going to present a game which we made together, the stock market. In this game you first have to sign up and then sign in with the same username. After you are logged in, you can see two options which are invest and sell.
The player can invest in a variety of 5 companies: Apple, Reliance Digital, Reckitt, Aditya Birla Capitals, and HDFC Banks.
The player has to press the number next to the company they want to invest in.
After doing so, they get the necessary information for buying stocks for that company, like a graph, status, and price. Once the player buys any stocks, the prices refresh.
Now, if they want to sell their stocks, they have to click on the sell button.
Again, press the number next to the stocks they want to sell.
This game can give students an investing sense which can help them in future life.
There are also many quests which give the game a motive and make it fun to play.
Making this game was a lot of fun and also quite challenging, as finding help in this field was a little hard.
But the challenge made us even more dedicated to innovate the game, making it helpful, fun, and exciting.
This game also helps players get creative, calm, and exigent.
Markets will always remain imperfectly perfect. The time you get to know correct evaluation, the opportunity becomes out of reach, or vice versa.
So, with this note, I'm going to end our presentation. Hope you enjoyed seeing our game. Thank you.